in our life. He gives a caution, a warning here. Two tendencies in our life. One tendency is to drag the ideal down to our life. The other tendency is to elevate the life to the ideal. And then Swamiji says, the first one is the great temptation of our lives. Anytime anybody comes with an easy religion, says what we want in life, what we desire in life, if somebody says that is good enough and that is religion and makes excuses for us, we are all ready to accept him. That kind of religion, that kind of teaching easily finds large numbers of followers. But in the long run, that will lead nowhere. What we need to do, Swami Vivekananda says, is to struggle to raise our life to the ideal. And he says, Vedanta is practical in the second sense. It is practical in the sense of the ideal, not practical in the sense of a compromise. He says, normally, what we mean by practical is the things which we like, we consider that to be practical. What we like doing, we consider that as something practical. He says to the shoemaker, there is nothing as practical as making shoes, nothing as great as leather. And he says to the thief, there's nothing more practical than stealing. It's true. And the second thing is, he says, not only what we like doing, what we can do, what we are accustomed to doing, what we find easy and natural to us, that's what we consider practical. Swami Vivekananda says, Vedanta, however, is practical in the sense of the ideal. To attain to the ideal and manifest it in our lives, that's the sense in which Vedanta is practical. Now, what is the ideal of Vedanta? What is the ideal of Vedanta? And Swami Vivekananda puts it very directly. The ideal can be put simply in a few words. You are divine, that thou art. You are God. Tremendous, a bombshell.